You into a little bit of multi-time frame analysis while I'm still here and I can still tell you about this. I wanted to dip into it a little bit, but I want to shorten up the video from before. So, okay, so this is how I do it. I go through the hourly time frame, and since the week started on the 17th, on Sunday, you find out that the market started trending on the MACD, and then you look at the ADX next, and you see if there's any kind of divergence in the RSI, which there didn't appear, but you don't really need it. You just need it to create lines, stagnation right there, stagnation, so it broke, and then you want to get out. So I'll just dip into it a little bit. Okay, so on Monday at 6 a.m., so that's usually the time I wake up, you find out that the RSI all the way throughout here, here, and here is going up. You'd want to take a long trade in that, so we go to the 5 minute, and hopefully it goes back that far. No, it doesn't. We'll see, just 1 second. No, it goes back to Wednesday. Okay, so we'll go to just what happened, I think, today, or Thursday. So there's 6 a.m. We see the market get up, and we see a crossover on the ADX green, trends going up on the ADX, and the RSI is going up. MACD crosses over, gives us a bullish nod. So you want to go over to the 5 minute, and that is at 6 a.m. on Thursday. So use a 5 minute after that to get your entries and exits. Hold on. So you see that at 6 a.m. the market starts heading up. You wait for a pullback, a slight pullback. You get a pullback all the way to here, and then you see the MACD start turning up again, giving us a bullish convergence, and also a broadening of the lines. I don't have the RSI on here for some reason. Okay, so we got to change this to 14. I don't use the moving average. Okay. So we see right there that it goes up. You get in right there. You ride it all the way up. And then once it dips below, let's do a trend right here. You see that's trending along here. And we see that it crosses below right there, so we get out right there. Obviously we don't capture it all, but we're only looking for conservative moves. Small pips when you're scalping. So we'd capture about just maybe about 20-25 pips, and you know, we keep an eye on the hourly and realize that it goes up all the way to Thursday 2 p.m. You know, hindsight's 20/20, but when you're trading, you know, you have to be greedy with your profits. So you see a little bit of a not much, but it's a positive divergence in the signal line just below. I'd still probably take it, knowing that the hourly is positive. So you make a trade right there, get out. Once the MACD histogram starts signaling that it's going down a little bit, you can use that as a signal too. You can also use a signal saying right here, this is the line that doesn't cross. It breaks right here, get out right there. Also, you can use the RSI, say that it didn't make the peak, so, and the price stagnated there for a while under a resistance zone that was hit a couple times. You can't see it on the hourly chart, but well, that's a Thursday, so, but it's resistance right there. You calculate on the higher time frames like the 4 hour and the daily, where the resistance level is before you actually start intraday trading. So that's a little of what I do, and made a trade on the Aussie dollar today. Wrote it up for about 30 pips. think I took it early on in the morning. I was just going to hold it as a longer term run and ran it off for 30 pips. So that's what it is. And I got out, sold it because of the Cyprus deal, and didn't know tentatively what was going to go on there. So that's why I sold. That's a little bit of my intraday analysis. Thank you for watching.